The LIFEBEE Wireless Earbuds are engineered for the active individual who demands both stability and high-fidelity audio during their workouts. These sports headphones feature a secure over-ear hook design that ensures they remain firmly in place during even the most intense physical activities, from sprinting to high-intensity interval training. The ergonomic build is complemented by a selection of different-sized ear tips, allowing for a customizable and comfortable fit that effectively creates a passive noise isolation seal. This design not only keeps ambient gym noise at bay, but also enhances the overall bass response, making them a reliable companion for anyone seeking motivation through music without the fear of their earbuds falling out mid-rep. Functionality is a cornerstone of the LIFEBEE TWS earphones, offering seamless compatibility with both iOS and Android devices. The connection process is intuitive, utilizing a simple one-step Bluetooth pairing system that quickly links to your smartphone or tablet. Once paired, the earbuds automatically power on and connect when removed from the charging case, providing a hassle-free user experience. The inclusion of a built-in microphone on each earbud also allows for clear, hands-free calls, ensuring that users can take important calls without interrupting their routine. The intuitive touch controls on each earbud enable users to play or pause music, skip tracks, adjust volume, and activate voice assistants with a simple tap. The audio performance of these true wireless earbuds delivers a powerful and engaging sound signature that is particularly well-suited for the energetic beats of workout playlists. The dynamic drivers produce a robust bass that is punchy without being muddy, while the mids and highs remain clear and present, allowing for a balanced listening experience that can keep pace with any exercise regimen. Whether you are listening to podcasts, audiobooks, or high-tempo music, the sound quality remains consistent and reliable. The secure fit provided by the ear hooks further enhances the audio experience by minimizing sound leakage and maximizing the immersion in whatever content you are consuming. Despite their many strengths, the LIFEBEE wireless earbuds are not without their minor drawbacks. The prominent ear hooks, while excellent for security, can make the earbuds slightly less compact and a bit more cumbersome to store in a tight pocket compared to more minimalist designs. Some users with smaller ears, or those who wear glasses, might need a short period of adjustment to find the most comfortable positioning for the hooks. Additionally, while the battery life is generally solid for all-day use, the total playtime may fall slightly short of some premium competitors, especially when the volume is consistently at maximum levels. In conclusion, the LIFEBEE wireless earbuds successfully fulfill their promise as a dedicated pair of sports headphones for both men and women. Their greatest asset is the unwavering security provided by the ear hook design, coupled with sound quality that punches above its weight class for this product category. The ease of use and full device compatibility make them a versatile choice for a wide range of users, while the design prioritizes function over ultra-portability and may require a brief fitting period. These are small trade-offs for the confidence they provide during physical activity. For anyone seeking affordable, reliable, and secure wireless earbuds for an active lifestyle, the LIFEBEE model is a compelling option that delivers on its core promises.